In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator not sending code. We'll go step by step, keep it simple, and get you back into your account quickly. First, understand what's actually failing. Microsoft Authenticator uses two types of codes. One is a push notification that asks you to approve or deny a sign-in. The other is a time-based 6-digit code shown inside the app that refreshes about every 30 seconds. Your fix depends on which one isn't working. Start by opening Authenticator and tapping your account to see if a 6-digit code is already there. If you see it cycling every half minute, that's normal, and you can use it wherever the sign-in page offers entering a verification code. If you don't see a code at all, the account may not have been added correctly, so remove it and add it back using the QR setup from your account's security page. If the issue is missing approval prompts, check your phone's notification settings for Microsoft Authenticator. In your device settings, open Apps, find Microsoft Authenticator, and make sure notifications and sounds or alerts are enabled. Also confirm Do Not Disturb is off and your phone isn't in silent mode. If notifications are blocked, push approvals won't arrive. Next, confirm you have a reliable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test, and make sure airplane mode is off. Push notifications require an active connection. On Android in particular, turn off battery optimization for Authenticator. Go to Settings, then Battery, then App Battery, select Authenticator, and set it to Unrestricted. Aggressive battery saving can delay or block notifications and background sync. Make sure your phone's date and time are set to automatic. Time-based one-time passwords rely on accurate time. Even a small drift can cause wrong or missing codes. Update the Authenticator app from the Play Store or App Store. Outdated versions can break notification delivery or cause sync issues. If only one specific account is failing while others work, remove that account from Authenticator and add it again by scanning the QR code. This refreshes the trust and usually resolves sync problems. If you recently changed phones, check whether approvals are still being sent to your old device. In your account security settings, remove the old device so prompts target your current phone. If push still won't arrive, choose Use a verification code or enter code instead on the sign-in page and type the 6-digit code from the app. Most problems come down to notifications being off, the phone time being wrong, an outdated app, an unsynced account, an old device still linked, or no internet. Follow these in order and you should be set.